What is going on, everybody? I am here today with my little cousin, and there is a mysterious little cave that's unexplored back behind his house. I've looked all through the cave maps. There's no caves in this county that are documented, so this is a new one. We're going to get in there. I don't have my gear today, but this is the small entrance. We're going to go and peek at the large entrance and see if maybe we can get in there in the future, get through here and explore. But anyhow, if you like this content, like and subscribe so you don't miss out, because I have been dying to go in here. We've been talking about it for ages. I'm dying to go down there and see what's there. So stick around, and eventually I'm going to get in there and see what mysteries lie beneath within this little cave. What's going on, guys? We have found the large entrance to the cave. We're in this little gully here, you can see. And I feel a strong cold breeze coming out of here. So this is going to be one heck of a cave. I took a little peek. I'm not going to go in today, but echo! It goes back. I think we're going to need some wading boots too. I see some standing water over there. But holy cow. This is exciting. We are going to explore the mystery cave. Not today, but if you subscribe, we're going to get in here, hopefully in the next couple of months, and explore the mystery cave. All right, guys, I'll catch you next time.